What if your workspace could think for you? Notion just launched its first AI agent, and it's not your typical chatbot. This thing can pull from every page, database, and note you've ever created in Notion and actually do the work for you. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you are ready to see how AI is reshaping productivity. At its Make with Notion event, the company revealed a new agent that can analyze meetings, summarize feedback, create competitor reports, or even build entire dashboards from scratch. It's built right into your Notion workspace, and it can pull context from Slack, email, or Google Drive to fill in the gaps. This goes far beyond the old Notion AI that just summarized content. The new version uses agentic AI, meaning it can perform multi-step workflows that run up to 20 minutes across hundreds of pages. Imagine saying, "Build me a bug tracker from all our channels," and it just does it. Users can create a profile page for their agent, telling it how to format output, what tone to use, and where to store results. You can even teach it to remember key points, which it stores and updates as you go. In Notion's demo, they showed agents giving landing page feedback, creating restaurant trackers, analyzing meeting notes, and preparing competition reports, all without a single manual setup. Right now, you have to trigger these actions manually, but Notion says automated scheduling and custom triggers are coming soon. Plus, a template library will make it easy to spin up ready-made agents in seconds. Over the past 2 years, Notion has quietly built the foundation for this, launching a calendar app, a Gmail client, meeting notes, and enterprise search. Now it's tying it all together with automation that rivals Salesforce, Fireflies, and Read AI. Notion's AI agent isn't just an upgrade, it's a turning point for knowledge work. It's the bridge between productivity tools and autonomous workflows. If you're curious how this could reshape your daily stack, watch the related video in the corner. We break down how AI agents are transforming real-world business operations. And remember, subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the next wave of AI tools that actually move the needle.